Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in a couple of hashtags. The first one is hashtag stamp play, hosted by Susan's Heartstrings. And I'm also joining in the hashtag Stampin' Sunday, hosted by Thelma Hall and Paula with Craftin' by the Pond. I will be sure to link both of their channels down below. They both encourage everyone to pull out their stamps and use them. I'm super excited because my daughter went on a little traveling trip with one of her friends. She stopped at some thrift stores and she came across some of these stamps, and so she picked them up for me. The first one is this really cute bunny one. It's a really nice size. You can see by the size of my hand. It was 99 cents. That's the name, Mama Hair. Oh, here we go. Unfortunately, I can't read anything that small, but that's who the maker is. It's so cute. The next one is the really cool boat. It was 50 cents. This one is 2.5 by 2.5, a great size. It's one of the foam stamps, so it's definitely older. That was the back. There's no other markings on it. 50 cents. And she found this house one. And there's no markings on this. I had this one in my stash already, so I thought that was super fun to find one that was so similar. And this one was 50 cents. These two people, I think they're scarecrows maybe, or rag dolls. They're so cool. She found this one. I love this one so much. And let's see, this was 99 cents. I can't see exactly what that says. Oh, here we go. Art Impressions, 1996. That's an oldie. And this one, 99 cents. This one I thought was so cool. Like, he has such a grumpy Nutcracker face on him. The details on this is amazing. This was $1. This was from 1985. And I believe the oldest stamp that I currently have in my collection is from 1988. This would be the oldest stamp that I now own, and I love it so much. These were the stamps that she picked out. These two and these two were never even used. I used them when I stamped them. Let me show you what I did. I took a white piece of cardstock and I stamped each one, and then I ran it through my scan and cut. And let me see, I'll just get a colored piece of paper here and I'll zoom in. So this is the first one. He came out so good. And we have the bunny. Look at how well that cut and how well it's stamped. I love it. Oh my goodness. Check him out. Every detail stamped, which is amazing. I mean, just amazing. The house and the little people. I accidentally shifted the paper when it was cutting through, but you can get the idea of where it would cut if I hadn't shifted the paper. And the big bow. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love them all so much. Here they are again, the stamps. So fun. I've been really enjoying these hashtags because normally I would not pull out any of my stamps for any reason other than to hoard them and to look at them on my shelf. Thank you for hosting these fun hashtags so that we could all start using our supplies. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.